Some of you might have seen this before. This is the 1995 Treasure Hunt, and it is in the number 69 Ferrari F40 package. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV, the Blue Card series. Today we're going to be looking at the number 69 Ferrari F40. Now, this is metal base and a metal body. Has a tan interior, the clear window, and has ultra hots all the way around it. Now, there's a few subtle differences in all of these, so you got to really pay attention. Now, the rear of this Ferrari is got just two tail lights on each side, and the back panel is flat all the way across. Okay, this comes with chrome ultra hots, big ones in the back, little ones in the front, and that is it for this one. Now, it also comes on three different cards with the ultra hots. All right, so we have it with the speed points in the package. We have it with speed points on the package, same identical car. And we also have it with no speed points anywhere. And again, you know, I collect cards, the cardboard, along with the car itself. And I know there's a lot of guys out there that do. That's why I'm showing it to you. So, and again, it's the same car, ultra hots, flat panel in the back, tan interior, and clear window. So, I was just checking to see if the interiors were the same. Next one up is gold metal speed, and of course it has gold wheels. These are gold ultra hots. Now, in the back of the car, I said these here had a two tail lights on each side and a flat panel. This one has a panel where the flat panel is. It has a plate for license plate, or a part that's raised out of there for a license plate. It is same car, tan interior, yellow tampo, clear window, but gold ultra hots, and the panel on the back is raised. So it is another casting. And all of these have no paint on the base. All right. So next one up is got gold 5-spokes, gold metal speed, and the same interior, same tampos, yellow. Got the big 40 on the side and 40 on the nose, and Ferrari on each side of the nose. And it also has the raised panel in the back. Unpainted base. All of these have unpainted bases. Next one up is another gold metal speed, and it has gold 3-spokes on it, and it has the same rear panel and the same tan interior, clear window, and the yellow tampos. Now, we're going to do, there's two other things in here. This is not a blue card. This is a blue and white card. We've talked about that before. Now, a lot of these cards in 94, 95, they would put the same car in another package, or they would just continue the car in the new blue and white package with the 30 or the 69 on the bottom of it. This one is, again, same car, same panel in the back, and the only difference is it's got gold BBS wheels, lace wheels, wire wheels, whatever you guys want to call them, and it is the same car, but different wheels. Now, some of you might have seen this before. This is the 1995 treasure hunt, and it is in the number 69 Ferrari F40 package. For some reason, the Gold Passion treasure hunt from 1995 got put into the Ferrari F40 Blue Card number 69 packages. I don't know how many exactly, but maybe between 50 and 100. I don't know. But don't hold me to that. I really don't know for sure. But there's there's a handful of them out there. So you see them every now and then. And it is it's funny because, we all list it as a variation. So I'm going to say, it's kind of hard not to because there are so many of them out there. Yes, it was an error. Yes, it was a mistake. But there's a lot of guys that have this in their collection, and I list it in all of my books as number 69, and a lot of other people do too. So, but if you have one of these, it's really cool. Nice to have it in the 69 package. And but yeah, there were a bunch of them out there. Like I said, I really don't know how many, but talk to a lot of guys. They have them in their collections, and that is it. It's the 1995 Gold Passion treasure hunt, and in the 69 Ferrari F40 Gold Medal Speed package. Cool, huh? So for all of the variations, like I said, this is the same car, but 3 different packages. These are all different wheels variations, and again, the back of the casting has the added plate for the license plate. This is again a blue and white card with different wheels, the BBS wheels as I call them, and the 95 treasure hunt. So that is it for the number 69 Ferrari F40. Hope you got a kick out of that one. I know I've always have. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Really appreciate it. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. And of course, please subscribe. Click that little bell and you get to know whenever we release a new video. Also, the Blue Card series has its own listing, its own whatever you want to call them there. But just search it out, and that's where we have all of just the Blue Card series. Okay, that's about it. So please, the last one. Please be kind to one another. It's a hobby. We have fun, and spread the love, spread the happiness, and it's always good to make other people happy. Whatever you put out comes back. Trust me. All right. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.